Hi everybody, I'm Victor Brick and welcome to April's Good Old Uncle Vic. Well, it's April Fool's today, one of my favorite days of the year. Here's what I did. I pulled this seal, the Baltimore County seal, off of the internet and put it on this form, and this sheet says the smell of natural gas has been reported coming from this building. Do not enter the building until it has been inspected first thing Friday morning, which is this morning. We should be in about 9 a.m. Please make sure someone is available to let us in. And I signed it, Baltimore County Department of Public Works. I put this on the entrance of our corporate offices, and I had our people waiting out in the cold for a half hour, expecting Baltimore County to come by to inspect the building until somebody figured out it was an April Fool's joke. Of course, I pulled the old give a number to all of my sales staff and my managers, especially the new ones, and told them to call it, said it was a friend of mine that was interested in membership, and of course the number that they called was Dial a Prayer. I pull that one every year. But here's the coup de grace, of course. The coup de grace is always with Lynn Brick. And this year I got up early today, and I had, Lynn made the mistake of telling me that our new puppy, Sheba, which is short for Bathsheba, had an accident in her crate a couple of nights ago, and she had a little diarrhea. So this morning, last night, I got some wood chips, and I put them in this bucket, and I put some water in them, and this morning, I put the wood chips and the water in the crate, and when Lynn got up to take care of, let Sheba out, I was upstairs pretending to be asleep, and I could hear this, "Oh no!" And she opened the doors behind us to try to let the circulation in, and because she thought Sheba had had an accident in her crate, and of course, she started to clean it up, she realized once again that it was an April Fool's joke. Now, what's the moral of all of this? Well, despite the fact that, just like last year, you always want to keep your sense of humor, the moral for this year is first, always be on your guard. You never know when somebody's going to sneak up on you. Every year, I play these practical jokes on people. You've got to check out what I did to Lynn last year. Look up April 2010 Uncle Vic. You'll really love it. But the point is that every year when I play these practical jokes on people, they tell me, next year you're not going to get us and we're going to get you back. And they never do, and they never remember, and sure enough, I sneak up on them with the same old tired jokes every year. The second thing is that if people allow you to, you can keep milking the same things over and over and over again until they finally catch on. Take it from me, because I do it every year. So remember, keep on your toes, because you never know when somebody's going to be out to get you. If you enjoyed this Uncle Vic, please feel free to pass it on to a friend. And for a text version of this Uncle Vic, or for past text and video versions, you can visit our website at www.brickbodies.com. Now, we close every Uncle Vic with a thought for the day. And today's thought for the day is, the fool doth think he is wise, but the wise man knows himself to be a fool. Until we meet again, that's it from good old Uncle Vic.